Oh yeah, she is back again, this time with all her babies. They've gotten so big. The big peacock, mama peacock with their little peahens. It's so funny how they lay down. Sometimes when they're really lazy, they just spread out their feet like this. They're like, Phoop. But they've been pretty comfortable coming around these days. I don't blame them. It's shady here, and it's been 90 degrees, feels like 104. But it is July in South Florida, so I guess that makes sense. She's always watching me, though. She's always very careful. Say hello and goodbye.